Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Zeria Tanning Drops review. Is it legit or a scam? Looking for a natural glow without spending hours under the sun? Let's review Zeria Tanning Drops and see if they're truly legit or just another scam. These self-tanning drops mix with your favorite moisturizer or serum, letting you control how dark or light your tan gets. The more drops you use, the deeper the color develops over a few days. Many users love Zeria tanning drops for their streak-free, natural-looking tan and gentle formula that works even for sensitive or acne-prone skin. They're easy to use, don't leave the physical self-tanner smell, and blend seamlessly into your skincare routine. However, some say the tan takes too long to develop, while others find it a bit pricey. If you also reported delayed shipping or refunds, so are zero tanning drops a scam? Not at all. They're a legit product that works for many, though results vary. If you prefer a gradual, natural tan, they're worth trying. But for faster or cheaper results, you might want to explore other options. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.